kunomuntu bhuti othi noma ungaphela kanjani umsebenzi
Sure.
angeke ngibuyele ekhaya because uyayazi idisrespect ayithola ngoba uyazi ngalesikhathi angasebenzi wayetreatwa njani ekhaya.
Avuma uNkulunkulu ukuthi ulahlekelwe umsebenzi for a year. Akukhombise i-treatment ye-partner yakho leyo ucabanga ngathi unayo. Uma ufuna ukukhipha inyoka otshanini shisa utshani
ziyovela.
So sometimes uThixo Mvangeli uyavuma utshani lushe and na into engishayayo ma ukushisa utshani akusho ukuthi ngeke limile. It's ukuthi lishe kuzo expose ka lenyongo bese liyamila futhi. Ukulahlekela izinto akusho ukuthi ngeke usabuyela la uNkulunkulu bekakubeke khona. Ayikho into edelay abantu empilweni like the fear of starting afresh.
Ebuti impilo ayiwafuna amagwala.
Ave kubuhlungu mfaka manga ukuthi wazi ukuthi impilo ngishayile but I don't have a home to run to. And sometimes I believe as we speak kunabantu emathunini abangavuka ubabuze umbuzo uthi mfethu what is the one thing that you regret? They will tell you I regret holding on until it's too late.
So kunabantu bhuti abazokuthola uyimvu bakushintsha bakwenza ibhubesi. And into engishaya ngalabo bantu lithi le bhubesi selibhonga seliveza amaziphalo bangakhona ukumelana nalo. Why do you continue ubambelele entweni iyakudepress? Ubambelele entweni kumanje ugijima wena ama counseling usudla namaphilisi engcondo hayi ngoba udla amaphilisi engcondo. It's just that wena ubambelele entweni esevela iphukile. uJudas akabulawa
ephinda Mvangeli
kodwa uJudas uyibulala yena.
Yo
Abantu abakubetreya ungaziphindiseleli
manga
kodwa ibona bayoyihenga sebakubona uJehova ephakamisa
manga. Hlala abantu abaninani ukuthi ba expect uNkulunkulu akuphindiselele the day wena ulinda aphindiselele ngalo. Kanti usimakade unayo lento yokuthi akuyekele uphole uthi lase uphole khona aqale akuphindiselele.
Into most of the time eyenza abantu kubenzima uqala phansi or to face the world.
Sure.
Ukuthi abantu bazothini.
Yo. Greetings South Africa. This is Amadoda Anyagazisa Umuzi. Not only South Africa, people and viewers all over the world. Welcome to yet another episode of Real Talk with Amadoda Anyagazisa Umuzi. As always, this is a platform la sikhuluma khona amaqiniso njengoba anjalo, and this is a platform where we seek to build each other. As always, bafethu angkhongedwa. I am with the only cup winning. Indoda yaqopha umlando. How do you feel, sir?
Put out my esibingelele lonke South Africa umhlaba wonke. Real Talk with Amadoda Anyagazisa Umuzi. Right mabuna?
Right.
Oh yomncane.
Right, no.
Yeah, no, right, man. It's always good to be back on TikTok. Yeah, man. Good Real Talk. Hey, sorry for it. It's a Blue Monday. No, but yeah, man. We were in Swaziland. Nkulunkulu bemuhle lapha yana. Besema Swatini.
Yeah.
Besema Swatini. We just familiar neSwazini. We were busy nje going around up and down. Yeah. But uNkulunkulu bemkhulu. Yeah. Weekend yakho mabunda.
No, my weekend was great, having to go to Swaziland, having to learn different kind of culture, different kind of environment.
Sure.
Ukufunda ukuthi khona ama country whereby you can feel safe, yabona, and khona ama country whereby do abantu bakhona bayakhala ngalezi zinto abakhala ngazo, but at the end of the day it's a great country, beautiful country, lovely people, great hospitality. Sure. And humbleness ne respect yakho iyangithusa namanje ngisase traumatized about abantu abakhona dewe bahlonipha ngakhona. No, it was just amazing. Otherwise bafethu 29 October 29 November we have an event Eswatini called Ebukhoneni with Amadoda Anyakazisa Umuzi. Please kindly be there, purchase your ticket, and if possible ukhona ngeke ufike, you can still buy a ticket or donate to say Amadoda Anyakazisa Umuzi, I have 5,000 rand, I have 20 rand, I have 100 rand. Kindly buy abantu ama ticket so that we can give away those tickets. But otherwise we had a great time. But
Prophet,
no waste of time. Asihlabele nkomo njengoba uhlala usho kuma video Amadoda Anyakazisa Umuzi. I want us to talk about something very important. I know we once talked about this thing, but ngifuna namhlanje sijule ngalento ngifuna sikhulume ngayo.
Sure.
And I'm hoping and trusting God ukuthi uNkulunkulu uzosinceda kulento ngifuna sikhulume ngayo. Indaba yokuqala phansi empilweni. I know we've always spoken about this, but today I want us to go deeper to yona.
Sure.
And uma sikhuluma ngokuqala phansi empilweni, we speak about all aspects of life.
Sure.
Ave kubhlungu mfoka mango uspend years building something and just like that ulahlekele yiyo yonke lento le boy builder all these years.
Sure.
Kunabantu mfoka mango they've been in marriage 20 years. Ujwayele ukuthi no ngihlala nomuntu wesifazana la endlini. When I come back home kunabantwana or kunomuntu wesifazana ojwayele ngama Sundays we are having dinner. Then out of the blue lo mshado crashed. Uphele konke but umsebenzi wa 20 years. Yabona omunye but bekanendlu anemoto. Maybe angene ku accident mfethu le moto yokuqala ishe iphele yena survive ku ungene enye imoto yesithuli asalanga sana lutho ndoda umuntu manje kwamele aqale ayomisa ama taxi where else akayazi impilo yokuthi yokumisa ama taxi angazi if it makes sense. Omunye but uthola ukuthi bekaspana for years and out of the blue lo msebenzi uphele and now kwamele aqale phansi indlu repossessed or kwamele aqale phansi manje aqala abantu bamboleka imali napha nalapha impilo lebengasayazi angazi if it makes sense. So I want us namhlanje to talk about pain and how do you navigate impilo yokuqala phansi and how do you handle that emotional strength, because actually wonke umuntu but okhona obuyayo after sekalahlekele yonke into. Baningi but abalahlekela emshado and they were like I cannot take this thing, I rather kill myself. Abanye balahlekela imoto izindlu athi umuntu I cannot take this thing. Omunye walahleka ifamily yonke athi I cannot take this thing. So I want us namhlanje body to go siyojula ngendaba yokuqala phansi empilweni after se uprogress kangaka ma
body day yazi yabhlungu lento esikhuluma ngayo. Ibhlungu lento body.
Sure.
I won't lie to you.
Sure.
Last time we once spoke about this thing on the last episode. I think maybe it's a continuation of yon.
Sure.
It's so painful but uqala phansi. It's so painful uqala phansi. And I think nenye into that we struggle as singabantu.
Sure.
When wakha into,
sure,
there are people who are watching you.
Sure.
And mase phezulu.
Sure.
There are people ababukela kuwena.
Sure.
Ifana lento ukuthi nibe couple.
Sure.
Nishadile nabantwana and izwe libukela kunina.
Sure.
The moment le antiphela it crashes down. Into most of the time eyenza abantu benzima uqala phansi or to face the world.
Sure.
Ukuthi abantu bazothini futhi bazongibuka ngese linjani yazi but at some point ngathi kungcono lokuthi into yakhe ingaziwa ithi mayiphela kungekho umuntu owaziyo. So into eshaka kakhulu when everything ishabalala. Obviously you've got a status and now you have to face these people And now indlela abantu abakubuka ngakhona iyashintsha. That is why others, they ended up taking their life because they can't stand lobuhlungu bokubukwa ngabantu, the shame. That thing isiphelile, that thing ayisekho. That is why mina put as much as mfowethu ibhlungu lento.
Sure.
But private life is good, man.
Repeat that again for a man.
But impilo eyimfihlo engekho ebantwini oyiphila right. Because uma kuzophela lokho nako, you don't have to explain to this
anyone.
But ave kubhlungu ukuthi ushaywa yinto ukuthi iphelile. Uphinde ulinyaza ukuthi sakho siyokhazela abantu wayiphelile. And ave kubhlungu futhi nokuthi kunabantu when umoshakalelwa izinto iphela relationship uphela umsebenzi babe na something to say negative.
Mango.
And bakujudge based on lento ondlula kuyona. But kunezimo mfowethu ezibhlungu abantu abandlula kuzona. Awadingeki nje amazwi negative, sidinga amazwi ukuthi mfowethu kuzondlula. But angeke mfethu sahlulwa zinkomo. Inkomo uma ihlatshiwe, mhlambe mayihlatshiwe yahlinzwa, ezinye inkomo ziyeza zizobhonga emswaneni, okusho ukuthi ziyakhala ukuthi omunye wethu ufile la. Where are people njalo masesimeni, they will come mfethu msori ngizwile. Mfethu uphephisa sikuthwele ngemithandazo. But in our time, when you are going through some stuff, people they act more.
You know into engishaya your foot to put mango ngokulahlekelwa or having to go through pain. Imbuzo yabantu le bangibuza yona or abakubuza yona njengomuntu. Kanti bafethu sometimes in fact you know that I'm going through this. Why are you supposed to ask me ukuthi kwenzakaleni? Because even if I can tell you ukuthi kwenzakaleni, ayikho into ezokushintsha. You get what I'm saying? The only thing that you're gonna do, you're gonna speculate. Sometimes mfoka mango njengobusho kunomehluko between a secret life and a private life. And as if it makes sense. And a private life, it's a life whereby you decide that, you know what, I will live my life according to my own standard. I will live my life according to my own lifestyle. Inkinga yabantu abaningi nayo, the minute uphila impilo yakho publicly, you are automatically inviting people to have a say kwimpilo yakho. You get what I'm saying? It's like uma ungena ku relationship bese uqala introduce ebantwini, abantu they will always have something to say ngalento yakho.
Bayongena ku bedroom yakho.
Buti.
Yazi buti mina, I'm gonna be honest with you because this is a real talk.
Sure.
This is a real talk, and unfortunately izinto esikhuluma la, they have to be real.
Sure.
As much as abanye they feel like niyasijaja nani.
Sure.
But the truth is iqiniso liyamkhulula umuntu.
Sure.
Futhi iqiniso ilona lokukhipha ejele.
Sure.
Because but kunabantu abahleli kujele lamanga. And at some point bafuna sikhuluma izinto eziyoba comforta kuleyo nto.
Sure.
Mina puti, I'll be honest with you. Impilo private,
sure,
as much as nayo inama disadvantage ayo,
sure,
ibe nama advantage wayo.
Sure.
You understand? Akusibo bonke abantu abafihla izinto zabo ngoba mhlawumbe kunezinto abayisabayo or benzani.
Sure.
It's because of sisaba ukuthi mhlazani imosheka leyo nto. I have to come and explain to you guys what happened. You understand? So it's draining. Yeah, it's draining, that thing. So it's better ukuthi into yami ihlale kumina, iphelele kumina. Uyabona? So at some point, and then nenye into futhi that emoshayo but abantu banenhliziyo ezimbi.
But
there's something ngengayisho ngathi mina but abathakathi manje abaseke egodlweni.
Sure.
Kodwa abathakathi manje sabathakatha ngani ngenhliziyo. Angisho ukuthi mfihlo umuntu wakho, veza into yakho just once. But benza abantu babe nento ukuthi manje bafake izinzipho kuleyo nto because bayangena ekhala lakho.
You know, but this is public information. Mawukhuluma so you are reminding me of the recent situation of one of the most amazing person that has mastered her own craft.
Sure.
Umake. Is it Mike or Umake from Matsulu?
Yeah.
She was trying, I believe, that she was trying to inspire content creators.
No, it's possible.
It's possible, and nokuthi there is money kulento zami.
Facebook.
But at the same time, in her doing so, kwavuka abantu labe banomona bambonela. She was trying to give inspiration. Because sometimes mfoka mango siyazama ukuthi sifuna uku-inspire abantu. Kanti at the expense of our peace. Kanti emango akusiyo wonke umuntu okulandela njengoba ekuthanda. Abanye they are after you simply because of they want to kill you. And you need to understand that sometimes you are trying to inspire people, but other people bakulandela ngamehlo ukuthi we can't wait for you to crash. Emango I'm reminded but ave kubhlungu ukuthi ithi impilo ikushaya. Ithi impilo ikulimaza mfoka mango. Uzithola ukuthi awuna ndawo yokubalekela kiyo. Emango, do you know ukuthi ikhaya was supposed to be a place where we go siyolanda amandla khona? Bekhona enye into mfoka mango that you used to say to me every time. Sihambe sishumayele siyenze yonke lento le la uzokhona amandla aphela khona. Uthe bhuti ngisacela ukuyojika ekhaya. Efeni. You get what I'm saying?
Sure.
Why? Because of when you come back you are renewed. Into ebhlungu kule insuku ukuthi noma kungathiwa sishayeke kangakanani, noma kungathiwa ulimale kangakanani empilweni, ave kubhlungu mfoka manga ukuthi wazi ukuthi impilo ngishayile but I don't have a home to run to. And sometimes masikhuluma nge-home, sikhuluma ngendawo whereby you're not gonna be judged, you're not gonna be asked, you're not gonna be reminded of your mistake, ukuthi wenzanga ini, you're not an environment whereby you're gonna be easily embraced and covered kuthiwa kusekhaya la mntana, kusekhaya la mfethu, kusekhaya la siswami. But kule insuku uthi ushayeka ungazi ukuthi which place are you gonna go back to, ngoba uthi ubuke ekhaya umama nosisi owabhuti bami owabo aunt bazothi ngihlulekile emshadweni. Uthi mangiye ekhaya bayothi mina ke ngangasebenzi babonile vele ngeke ngilast la emsebenzini ngeke end up uba street kid mfoka manga. Ungasabi nendawo la ungabuyela khona emuva bese uyolanda amandla and come and rebuild or start again in life.
Yazi bhuti lento oyishoyo
sure
ifana nokuthi asisabulawa izimpi zempilo.
Sure.
Or asabulawa izinto esibhekana nazo.
Sure.
Okay, ziyashaya izimpi zempilo sophe.
Yeah.
But mase sibuyela ekhaya la uzalwa khona or family
body
kutholakala ukuthi kuneyinyoka ziqedelele.
Yo mango
mina I believe but akusibo bonke abantu abahlulekile abashaywe impilo ngoba bashaywe impilo yabashaya impilo but baqedelelwa ekhaya.
Yo
kunomuntu bhuti othi noma ungaphela kanjani umsebenzi
sure
angeke ngibuyele ekhaya because uyayazi i-disrespect ayithola ngoba uyazi ngalesikhathi angasebenzi wayetreatwa njani ekhaya. Kungcono ithi impilo mayingishaya phela umsebenzi ngeke bangani bami ngeke kubantu mhlambe engijwayelene nabo because I know ukuthi mangingaye ekhaya ngiyophela kanti futhi ave kumnandi as much as ibhlungu lento futhi ukuthi impilo ithi mayikushaya but wazi ukuthi nginogogo ekhaya ozothi thula mfana wami amanye amathuba azovela uthi uya ekhaya uye kubantu abazokutshela ukuthi usahluleki vele wena uyinto engenalo ibhudi.
And amango I think into that led people to depression.
Sure.
Ukuthi labantu laba bokose bayabaduduza bayaba encourage bafike babaqedelele kakhulu and okubhlungu ukuthi this proves mfoka manga ukuthi uma siphakama empilweni uma siphumelele empilweni akuse wonke umuntu ojabula ukuze siphumelele
that's true
abanye they can't wait for our downfall kanti uNkulunkulu ngiyamthanda mfoka manga ukuthi sometimes unokuvuma uwehle kuze amehlo akho azovuleka ubabone ukuthi labantu laba engicabanga kwangathi bayangikhathalela abangikhathaleli ngoba mfangeli kunemindeni esinekekelayo kunabangani esibanakekelayo there are people mfoka mangu that we are taking care of we giving them money when they need money we buying them food when they need food we are taking care we are so supportive as friends simply because of God has blessed us and our assumption is we think ukuthi njengoba bakhona in case something goes wrong in life they will be there only to find out uNkulunkulu ufuna ukukuvezela ukuthi labantu oqabanga kwangathi unabo abekho avuma uNkulunkulu ukuthi ulahlekele umsebenzi for a year akukhombise i-treatment ye-partner yakho lo uqabanga kwangathi unayo ngoba because man remember it's not only the family that we speak about sometimes even partners esicabanga kwangathi banathi kuthi the day impilo ishintsha kuthi the day silahlekela emsebenzi sibuye ekhaya ezokuthi awusasebenzi within 3 months akuphathisa kwenja within 3 months akuthithisa kwangathi awulutho kanti uThixo uyakuvezela leqoki olala nalo yo noma i real talk but uthi into enyinto no i real talk yo uthi uThixo uyavuma mfoka manga kusuke izinto kuze abantu bazo mnganami you once said something to say uma ufuna ukukhipha inyoka otshanini shisa utshani ziyovela so sometimes uThixo mvangeli uyavuma utshani lushe and na into engishayayo manga ukushisa utshani akusho ukuthi ngeke limile it's ukuthi lishe kuzo expose ka lenyongo bese liyamila futhi ukulahlekela izinto akusho ukuthi ngeke usabuyela la uNkulunkulu bekakubeke khona
uyazi ke mabunda iphutha esilenzayo
sure ma
when uNkulunkulu expose inyoka empilweni zethu siye silwe naye abanye baze bakhale uNkulunkulu wami wami angijikela wayi mina wami wanele ukuthola umsebenzi wajika wayi unkosikazi wami waqala ibusiness lakhe la phezulu washintsha uThixo ukuexposela ubunyoka bakhe bese wena uyacomplaina ulwa noNkulunkulu because abanye abantu ubunyoka babo bayafihla
mango
up until kuvela isimo esithiza uNkulunkulu because but every time mongena esimeni umuntu akujikele take usofa thatha isitulo uhlale phansi and watch the show don't complain to God umbheke futhi urelax ungalinayo kanti nje but nansi into ke but asimbonga uNkulunkulu wena expose ezinye zeinyoka
you know why komele simbonge manga ingoba mfoka mango angaze ngabona umuntu elahlekelwa izinto kuthi makabuya abuyele kule level lebeka kiyo
kunjalo
ngamanye amagama uma ulahlekela izinto it's an opportunity for you to elevate and do better now here's the thing why is God exposing these people it's because of in your new level of life awubadinga abantu abafana nalapha ingakho mfoka manga uJobe bengeke azi ukuthi umfazi wakho uyicoki kangakanani ifakazanga lahlekela
izinto lezo
kanti the very first time azolahlekela izinto that was maybe probably his first time ezwa umfazi wakathi thuka lo nkulunkulu wakho ufe lalela thuka
bese uyafa
ngamanye kama nife no let's observe this statement thuka lo nkulunkulu wakho bese uyafa means no lo mfazi bebekafuna uJobe efile
all
along so meaning to say kunabangani mfoka mango and family members and partners abafuna sifile And sometimes abarejoisayo when we are going through stuff. When you are going through tough times in life, do not complain to God. Just keep quiet and observe. Little Tamalam, keep quiet and cake.
Keep quiet and what?
And cake.
What cake? What is cake?
I mean cake is to look Africans.
Or keep quiet and cake.
Yeah.
You know, Puti. Ngiyamthanda man uNkulunkulu.
Sure.
Ngiyamthanda uNkulunkulu.
Sure.
The reason why ngithi ngiyamthanda uNkulunkulu ukuthi unayo le tendency yokukhipha
Sure.
esimeni
Sure.
abantu bebacabanga ukuthi ngiyawuphuma ekusona.
Yo.
Iyona into engishaya ngayo.
Yo mama.
Because abantu baba nokuconclude.
Yo mama.
I don't know why ibhekana imovie la khona steering.
Sure.
But baqedile ngaso.
Sure.
And wena obukelayo
Sure.
uzuthi yabona le mehleka lele
Hey.
ngeke asurvive emlilweni.
Ngeke aphume lo.
But into engishayo nayo
Sure.
ukuthi indlela azovuka ngayo nazophakama ngayo
Yey.
ishokha kwamina engibukelayo.
Hayi, yaphunyuka le.
Ishoke nalo omfake emlilweni kunjalo bhuti empilweni. There are people bhuti abebacabanga ukuthi every time mawuzongena esimeni angeke uzukwazi ucala phansi. Into engishaya ngokucala phansi naye.
Sure.
Awungabe usacala phansi but ubuya namandla amasha.
Yo.
Okusho ukuthi bhuti ecaleni the time uyiqala lento imosheke.
Sure.
Ubuyenza unamandla normally.
Sure.
This time around soza ne experience.
Yo.
So iphutha labantu abalenzayo most of the time ukuthi ufuna ukuzibulala.
Hey. Oh.
Kanti ukuzibulala kwakho you are making umosha icebo likaNkuluNkulu ukuthi lingafezeki.
Mfoka mama.
Because here's the truth but as long as ngisaphefumula icebo likaNkuluNkulu lizofezeka.
Mang. Bengiqala ukuyisho lento.
Sure.
Ukuthi ake sihlale mbukeli lapha ekhaya.
Sure.
Ngicela ukukubuyisa engcondweni. Angazi ngibani lesikhuluma naye manje, but bengicela ukukubuyisa engcondweni.
Sure.
Give me just 1 minute and I want to bring you back to your senses njengendodana yolahleko. Le moto wawuhamba ngayo.
Sure.
Yangena ku accident yaphela or ya repossess. Are you aware ukuthi if wena wawungekho bengeke ibe khona?
Bengeke ibe khona.
Lendlu le onayo or leba repossessile. If wena bowungekho bengeke ibe khona.
That's true.
Lo msebenzi olahlekile. If wena bowungekho yona bengeke ibe khona. Ngamanye amagama zonke lezi zinto le relationship ecede kuphela lo mshado ocede kuphela. If wena bowungekho bengeke ibe khona in the first place. Ngamanye amagama zonke lezi zinto ziyi results yakho yokukhona bakho.
Sure.
So then mina bengicela ukubuza kungani manje sofuna ukuzibulalela izinto ongaphinde uzenze futhi.
Hey.
Noma zingeke zisafana but zizoba khona futhi. Bakhona mfoka manga abantu abake bashada ba divorce.
Sure.
Bashadile futhi.
That's true.
Bakhona abantu abake balahlekela yimoto. Banezinye imoto futhi manje. Bakhona abantu mfoka mango that had kids bazashona ingane. They have other kids right now. So iphutha lakho ucabanga kwangathi lezo zinto ngeke zibuye. Allow me to tell you that you were the source of everything that was in
That
you.
yeah.
All of those things that you had were just simply resources. Siyaqela mbukeli lapha ekhaya. Ungazibulali. Ukushila usipho I understand. Ukushiya nezingane ezu5 I understand. And ungaze wena uze write off. Ngoba kunomunye somewhere uJohn ozokuthanda lo sipho okulahlile le moto ezihambile lo msebenzi osophelile you can still come back, you can still recover and do better than you were before.
Angikhulume le mfoka mabunda.
Ikhulume mfoka mama.
As much as le nkulumo engizoyikhuluma la akuyona yabo bonke abantu.
Sure.
I-rough man.
Yeah, sure.
It's not for babies.
Sure.
but is for real men and real women.
Sure.
And ngizoyikhuluma nje for 2 seconds or 3 seconds.
Sure.
Eputi impilo ayiwafuna amagwala.
Hayi. Ngathi ngizwa le sound ka TikTok. Ayifuna amagwala.
Ngesikithi impilo ayiwafuna amavaka.
Yo.
Mina ngizokutshela iqiniso.
Sure.
Mina life boot has taught me this thing. Once waba yigwala. Mina ngizokutshela iqiniso but let me be honest with you.
Sure.
Ukuba nesibindi akusho ukuthi awuthuki. Uyathuka but you stand.
Yeah.
No David na masingam interview asihlale naye phansi yendoda the time uroundisa isiringi lapha yana bekwenzakalana enhlizweni yakhe bekukhona ukuthuka but into engenza ngastanda ukuthi I decided not ukuthi ngibe igwala.
Yo.
Because people they think ukuthi once you stand alikho uvalo oluncane
Thuka.
Impilo ayifuni ukuthi ubaleke. Impilo ifuna ukuthi ume
Bhekane nayo.
Yeah, ukuthi mntasekhaya uyavukela emshadweni. Uyababona osikoni bakho osqueezer bamelana stand. Put
Emango, let me repeat this thing. Zoyisho lento. Khona uzongizwa.
Sure.
Life, okay, no one said we will have it smooth. No one said the road will be easy. You know, we get to be addicted to comfort to a point that we forget that last is emhlabeni. Ngisho nasesibhedlele mfoka mango angazi uthini lo yamshini lo tititu uyenza so uhlama waves la ya. Are you aware mfoka mango ukuthi lama wave waqala wama straight kusho ukuthi impilo iphelile. Meaning to say, as long as you are still alive, we need to have those up and downs. But we are expecting life to be smooth. Mina ngicela ukuyisho kumanje. Abo Elon Musk kumanje, the richest man on earth or whatsoever, that the guy that is ekuthiwa ke manje inotheke ihamba iyakubo trillion. There were moments mfoka mango la beka trenda khona kuthiwa is no longer the richest man, he's the third or the fourth man. Or alahlekele iyo yonke into lebekanayo. Those that even know the story, they will tell you that there were moments la khona Elon Musk bekalala khona officing lakhe esofeni anganalutho in terms of monetary gain. Akazanga ayithatha azibulale. I wanted to say something for a man. To say a mistake yabantu abaningi empilweni.
Sure.
Ene into enza abantu abaningi banga recover.
Sure.
Ene bangakhona ukuqala phansi. Ukuthi they are still holding on to the previous victories, to the previous memories of life. Basabambelele kule yampilo yakudala. Mang umuntu otshala uzokutshela ukuthi after sesikhile ilento lezi lo whatsoever kwamele sisuse yonke lezi zinto za previous season.
Yeah, vele sifaka
okusha.
Yeah, sitshala okusha.
Iphutha labantu abaningi mfoka mango abafuni ukuthi bathi yazini ngizamile kwamosheka. I've had everything yamosheka. It's fine. It's time to let go and let me start afresh. Mfethu wahlukana nobaba kaSiphi 2013 udibana noSibu usamchazela ngendaba kaSibaba kaSiphi.
Bhuti.
Let go of that chapter.
Idedele.
Emang kuneminyango empilweni zethu engeke ivuleke sisavulele yayi sisabambelele kule yakudala. And sometimes we must close those doors and open the ones that are in front.
Ngibambele but okay but
sure,
let me just share this thing.
Sure.
So that people they could understand. Isikhathi sese right last corner.
Let me check.
Cause
yes, that's right.
Okay. Let me say this thing but
sure.
Mina impilo ingifundise na into nayo.
Sure.
Into mayingasebenzi.
Sure.
Yayiyeka.
Expo.
But iphutha labantu abalenzayo. When bahlulekile into ingenzeki, they don't try something new.
Yo.
Mina puti ngamane bakuname mfethu.
Sure.
ukuthi hey uMabunda uzenza ihustler uMabunda hey unanani
sure
as long as into ingakusebenzeli iyeke wenze enye ifana lento kuma relationship ngamane bakuthuke bathi ungena uphuma kuma relationship into mayingakusebenzeli but iyeke
sure
because kunabantu abahlele entweni ngenxa yama status yetha bekho happy leyo nto into ebhlungu but ngokuphilela abantu ukuthi emfihlakalweni kulimala wena
yo
kubleeda wena
yo
okay angikhulume lento ave kubhlungu ukuthi uphilela abantu ubleed emfihlakalweni bona babe happy wena uyakhala
yo
kungcono but abantu bakhale kodwa unokuthula
yo
uyazwayo nokuthula iqiniso lempilo yakho uyalazi
yo
than ukuphila impilo yamanga impilo yakho but ebantwini ubanikeza iqiniso elingekho
yo for amang
uyanganisela lento engisho mabona yeah ngamanye bakuname abantu bakhulume bathi no wenza u1 2 no 3 wahluleka nani kungcono because one thing I've realized uyahluleka okokucala uhluleka okwesibili uhluleka okwesi3 uhluleka okwesi4 uhluleka uzufika ku10 kanti impumelelo yakho ikunumber 11 ifuna konke lokuhluleka kwa 10 things ohluleka kuzona ukuze ukwazi ukuqualify ku number 11
sure
but kunamaja mina online as much as uNkulunkulu angiblesse ngewisdom mina online to you but even now yes ngiyafika kumpumelelo manje
sure
but into engiyazi kuzo zonke lezi zinto engihluleke kizo but mina ngihlulekile empilo nangifukutshela manga
apho uhlulekile
mina
abantu abazo bawudayisa ama ice cream
mina but ngizama and people and guess what ibhlungu ke eyam because ngiyaziwa nginegama
sure
because abantu banokuassume abacabanga ukuthi uma igama lilikhulu nama finances alingana negama ngine pressure ukuthi okay igama likhona but izinto ahlangana but ngibe nento ukuthi no I'm going to do this thing until it happens
you know body lento ishoyo I'm also part of that particular story
sure
we have a problem in our generation of abantu abangafuni ukuhlekwa ngabantu do bakhala ema kunomuntu kumanje njengoba ngikhuluma nawo uku relationship or usemshadweni aka abuse akahlukunyezwa akaboni nokubona kodwa uyasaba ukuphuma ngenxa ye stigma sokuthi uhlulekile emshadweni emfo kunendoda kumanje ngikhuluma nawe ikuma Range Rover ihamba ngemoto ngeBM enkulu mfoka mango akafuni to let go of leyo moto a downgrade ayekwe to a smaller car that he can afford uze ubalekela abantu basebhenki mfoka mango ngenxa yokuthi installment simela kanti if he was to admit and accept ukuthi lesimo engiso it's not permanent if wake waba phezulu before you can still get there sometimes you need to accept because abanye benu you're holding on to stuff ngenxa yokuthi nisaba abantu bazothini nisaba ukuhlekwa ngabantu and in the first place you don't know to say ukuhlehlele emuva akusukuphela kwakho kodwa ukulanda amandla so bese ngicela mfoka mama bhuti wami and ibhlungu mfoka mama do you know ukuthi kunama celebrity bhuti ahluphekayo today aboleka aze aboleke nemali yokuthi babhadala ama rent kodwa akafuni ukuthola ama means okwenza enye imali ngenxa yokuthi igama lakhe likhulu kanti sometimes igama lakho noma kungathiwa uRaf you can still sell something and people can still support you but we have a problem in our generation. I'm not against celebrities asking for donations. I'm not against anyone asking for donations but you can still use your name to advantage sometimes to say noma ngathiwa ke na inceke la inceke uCosmo waku generation guess what wabona ukuthi life rough wathi ungena ku Uber does it make sense and more people wanted to support him from that thing but our mistake mfoka manga ukuthi ngaziwa kangaka bazothini bangibona ngihamba ngenyawo yebo mfethu ngumabunda nyaka umhlaba wonke I'm being celebrated all over the world. I won't lie for Gamang. We are known all over the world, and I know I'll say this thing. No matter I'm arrogant, I know the name is big.
It's big.
The name Nagamabunda, it's big. But guess what? If it says the need to come and taxi, I will go to that taxi with pride. Nyankela bafethina ngeke sizirentise imoto ukujabulisa nini mawudibane nami taxini udibane nami taxini bingelela mawufuna self I will gladly give you ngeke mfoka mangu ngisifakele ku pressure yokuthi ngifuna ukimpress abantu hey if I put
as put let me say this thing
sure
I cup iglass
sure
iglass uyaphuza ngalo
sure
angeke uphuza ngawo ungalibambanga
sure
uyalibamba
sure
glass futhi mawulibambile liba comfortable but nansi into ebhlungu ngeglass mabunda lingaze liphuke
hey
walibamba
hey
ungafuni kulidedela siyobona ngesandla split igazi but the time lingaphukanga iglass bolibamba uphuza ngalo baningi abantu mabunda mfowethu ama glass wabo bewa right angabalimazi but anele ukuphuka bawabamba
sibuda
umuntu uhleli ku relationship
sibuda
uhlele ngenxa ye status but uyabona le glass demo ngilibamba lambleedisa and to a point ukuthi le glass selize liyangena nasethambeni it's better to let go into ephukile than to let go into right ngayiphinda lento but iglass uma lingaphukanga ulibamba kahle futhi lingakulimazi why do you continue ubambelele entweni iyakudepress ubambelele entweni kumanje ugijima wena ama counseling usudla namaphilisi engcondo hayi ngoba udla amaphilisi engcondo it's just that wena ubambelele entweni esevela iphukile and into ngizoyidedela kuwena mabunda and ungizwe kahle kwalona lelo glass olibambile awusaphuzi ngalo into lenza ulibambile noma kuthi uthela amanzi kulona ayachitheka noma kuthi uzama ama investment kulomuntu osukunaye there's nothing yonke into iyashabalala if we can that is why I always tell people most of 99% or 95% abantu abang-inboxayo kwa Facebook na TikTok are people abazi ukuthi yini into kosa bayenze abakhalayo kodwa abafuni ukuyekela bafuna ke mina ngize ngikhuluma nawe no let go you are bleeding here let go
you know Mango the longer you hold on the more you delay your life from starting afresh
and the damage
and the more you get more damage and it's the more you lose blood and if you lose more blood the more you lose your life abanye benu by now the business that you could have started after ukulahlekela umsebenzi it could have been far by now abanye benu impilo zenu ngabe zikude manje only if what wabona ukuthi class eliphukile and you let go but walivumela la kumosha manje sowumosheke beyond repair and emango yazi kungcono emango nemoto the minute uzwa ukuthi iyaphanja you stop because you avoid making more time umuntu olimele la mfethu nguwe and you're holding on to something that is constantly draining your energy that is constantly draining yourself yazi inkinga yabantu abaningini kodwa abona ayikho into edelay abantu empilweni like the fear of starting afresh yabona leyo fear yokuthi kwamele ngiqale phansi iyenza abantu abaningi bahold on to izinto ongakosanga bahold on kizo omunye uthi ngina 35 manje omunye umuntu ongithanda ngiyomthola kuphi yebafethu kunamakhetla anibonayo omunye uthi ngina 40 ngina 45 who's gonna love me at my age if I let go sometimes the day you let go it's the day you begin to start to heal because you're holding on to something that is constantly putting. I'll tell you something. I believe as we speak kunabantu emathunini abangavuka ubabuze umbuzo uthi mfethu, what is the one thing that you regret? They will tell you, I regret holding on until it's too late. Kunabantu mfoka mango abalahlekela imisebenzi or abadreamwa emsebenzini or anything that has been happening, but hold on, yagcina ibasusa le yonto. Kunamanxeba, kunamathuna. Uma singayasa wabheka mfoka mango
itracewa lapha. Yazi but ungifuna ukushaya istembu lento oyishoyo. Le oyishoyo kunabantu mfethu, kunomuntu ongadibana naye naye uphila.
Sure.
Ufe kodwa uphila.
Hey, sibu.
Kunabantu but especially ladies.
Sure.
And good guys.
Sure.
And good ladies who are raised very well.
Sure.
Because nabantu besifazane but abakhuliswe kahle.
Sure.
Bayahlonipha.
Sure.
Akaze even noma akhula kubuma wakhe nobaba wakhe ubukela kubona.
Sure.
Uyazi ukuthi indoda iyahlonishwa.
Sure.
Nomuntu wesilisa uyazi ukuthi umfazi uyathandwa.
Yeah.
Umfazi nje awumenzeli izinto ezibhedayo.
Sure.
They are raised well. But anele ukudibana nomuntu othize avele afe. But kunabantu besifazana hayi ngoba badelela abanye. They were trained. Wanele ukuthandana nalo. Watrain ukuthi kuyaliwa ku relationship. Yet ukhuliswe eyimvana kaNkulunkulu. Yet ukhuliswe emabunda right. So kunabantu but abazokuthola uyimvu bakushintsha bakwenza ibhubesi. And into engishaya ngalabo bantu lithi le bhubesi selibhonga seliveza amaziphalo bangakhona ukumelana nalo. Mina I will tell you mabunda mfowethu, ngizokutshela iqiniso. Lento engizoyikhuluma la angipromote umuntu. Kunabantu namhlanje mabunda hayi ngoba babhema ama drugs. If you can trace ukubhema kwaba ama drugs, wadibana nomuntu othizwa wamlimaza wamdamage to a point ukuthi akakhona ukuface life real.
Sure.
Lo muntu udinga ukudambisa ama feelings even nama emotions.
Sure.
So that ngizokwazi ukufacana ne life. Kunabantu abasotshwale nje ngamanje mangambuza waye uphuza ngane lokuthandana nozibanibani. Sengiphuza utshwala mina. So kunabantu futhi esizodibana nabo kuphele ngathi ngiyalibona lethuna elibonakalayo.
Khona leli
lihambayo umbona ukuthi uphelile wanele ukuba nengane nomuntu othize kwaphela ngaye. Kwanele nje abanye futhi abanye futhi bashada mfethu banemali banama businesses. But uSathane wababamba ekutheni bashada abantu abarong. Ngoba akusiwo babona yini umshado isibopha findo.
Sure.
Akusiwo wonke usibopha findo ovela kuNkulunkulu. Omunye usibopha findo usibophela wena ukuthi uye phansi uyofa uphila. Uvele esitheni. Hey but asivala ithini dading. Hey now Nkosi yami ngithinta ilonda zabantu.
Sivale.
The real talk.
Bengicela ukuyivala ngalendlela.
Sure.
Asikwazi mfoka mango ukupheka ipapa ngebhodo elisana yini lezinto lezi enesikhokho sayizolo.
We need to remove
kuze sikhona ukupheka ipapa elisha namhlanje elizoba mnandi kwamele se remove lesikhokho sayizolo. Bese ngicela wena obukele le real talk with amadoda enakazisumuzi, it's time ususa isikhokho sayizolo so that uzokhona ukupheka ipapa elisha la namhlanje. Lalela mfoka manga, le papa la izolo lake laba mnandi kodwa liphelile. Le relationship yake yaba mnandi kodwa seyiphelile. Lo msebenzi kwake kwaba mnandi kodwa sekuphelile. Le imoto wake waba nazo nalezindlo kodwa ziphelile. Bese ngicela ungenzele into ewathi kuphele ipapa kodwa ibhodo lisasekhona. And uma ibhodo lisasekhona busho ukuthi singapheka elinye ipapa. You can still cook something with your life again.
Awuthi ngivale ke namabunda ngalendlela.
Ivale.
Buti.
Yes sir.
Bahlonipha abantu.
Yes sir.
Othi mawucala phansi empilweni babe nawe.
Sibu.
Because labo bantu basuke bayazi phiko okwabakiyona.
Yo.
Still ba remain babe na that respect. Bahloniphe labo bantu. And ngicela ungisize ke dadewethu na ubhuti wami. Ngicela ufaka amabhatla ufaka ama LM key, uma ukuthi ufaka ama butler u5 it's fine.
Ngivaleke le real talk
For abantu abakujikela so phansi,
yo
ungabavumeli babuye, vala. Makuthi ublock mabe mhlambe ba create amanye ama fake account to have access kuwena, ungabavuleli lo mnyango.
Mama ngithi ngeke ivaleke le real talk, ngeke ivaleke le real talk.
Sure.
Yazi iphutha abantu abaningi abalenzayo mfanga mango yini ukuthi abafuna ukudelete amanamba wabantu abaziveza ukuthi bangabobani. Kwathi the day ushayeka lemfethu olamajita bowathembile ukuthi will come to your rescue, kwathuleka ngabo. Bathi bezwa ngesimo sakho uthi uyamfonela ezwa lento ugowa through athi eshe mfethu ngicela ubambele kancane ngizokufonela back, akazange sakufonela. Kutheni manje impilo yakho iyabuya uzwile ukuthi sekunemonto entsha sewuyakutexta uyakuhlola ukuhlolelana ngoba the day ushayekile and the day bobadinga. Yazi mfoka mangu mina impilo engifundiseni ingifundisa ukuthi abantu laba that are most likely ukuma nathi empilweni abantu esingabalindelanga ukuthi bangaba nathi, ukuthi laba esibathembile ukuthi bangama nathi basijikele
baba zimpunzi.
Yebafethu uyabona le genge ehlale nawe noma umbone lo mjida lwanga understand lo mara uye ome nawe wakudefenda wakunakeke emang kunabantu mango kunabangani esingakhona ukukhuluma nabo siyazana sure great awuphelela lapha mara kwathi the day kunephanja the same guy engakhulumi naye kakhulu kwaba nguye ozayo ozongiassista while the rest banama excuse bese ngicela. And number 2, iyekele lento yakho yokuthi uma impalo yakho iqala futhi uzama ukuprovela laba bahamba ukuthi ungcono
le irong,
ngoba sinabantu mfoka mango abafuna ukuvuka. One of the reasons why uNkulunkulu angeke akuphazamisa it's because angeke akuvuse futhi ingoba your intentions zokuvuka futhi wrong. Ufuna ukuvuka futhi just to prove to labantu abakushili. Real talk.
Angiphinde ngivale
ngitshelise ngeke ivaleke lena
mabonde
mango
impindiselela kuyona yomuntu.
Hey cishe ngathi shabadashi
kodwa impindiselelo ngeka Jehova
yo
inkinga ngokuphindiselela kwethu
sure
kuyarobha mara impindiselelo kaNkulunkulu
yo
it makes sure baba it destroys people abakubetrayile. So ungalenzi iphutha mntana sekhaya yokuthi uziphindiselele kubantu abakulimaza. Bengicela uchubeke ngempilo uzihambele.
Yo
mabunda ngizoyidedela ngizoyidedela
ngiphele le real talk.
Ngiyaphinda uJudas akabulawa
kephinda mvangela
kodwa uJudas uyibulala yena.
Yo
abantu abakubetray ungaziphindiseleli
manga
kodwa ibona bayoyihenga sebakubona uJehova ekuphakamisa
manga
ngoba mabunda ungizwe kahle uJudas into ayenza wadayisa uJesu kanti kumdayiseni ufuna ukuthi afe wafa but wabula ukuthi uvukile. Kunabantu abayokubona uphakama la bekose ngabakubulale la khona kodwa uphakama. Why the moment uphakama ila khona bayoyihenga khona sengikhulumini manga
mina bese ngicela ukusiza umbukeli ngoba sinabantu abasilandela abarezina kakhulu abathi hey kuningi umlindile uNkulunkulu amphindisela ayikho lento le. Can I explain to you? Iphutha labantu abaningi nali ukuthi ba expect uNkulunkulu akuphindiselele the day wena ulinda aphindiselele ngalo kanti usimakade unayo lento yokuthi akuyekele uphole uthi lase uphole khona aqale akuphindiselele wena expect akulwele ngalesikhathi wena ufuna ngaso. You are expecting a revenge ngendlela enangesikhathi eswrong. Do you know when our emotions are high we want our enemies to kanti uThixo akasebenzi ngale ndlela udinga uphole uthi la sowukhohle khona uzongoswazi esitheni sakho uthi hayibo angisekho lapho kanti uThixo ushana nje. Listen mntana sekhaya, I know you've been praying, you've been wondering bonke labantu abangibetray bayaphumelela, lo mjida lo wangibetray ngisha nengane bayaphumelela. Kwangathi yonke into lalela let avumela uMabunda ku-advise Paula udedela uSimakade, ngoba as long as usanama strategy sokuthi uzilwela kanjani khohlwa ngokuSimakade uThixo uzokuyekela ngestrategy sakho sakho asinamandla ukudlula esakhe. Kodwa the day mangaphela mayifika ku-2 hours ayifike ku-2 hours ngana no ngeke mfana sigole kangaka
eMabunda
sibuda.
Let me say this thing.
Say it my friend.
Angeke beze bazoxolisa manje.
Yo!
But bazoza bazoxolisa la khona sowukhohlwe khona.
Hey!
And kuyoba nguwe usumbuza uthi konje wangenzani. Number 2, kuyoba nguwe uthi konje ungubani.
Yo!
Because when uNkulunkulu ekupholisa ukhohlwa nabantu abakulimaza.
Yo!
Aza offend nokuthi how awusalazi negama lami.
Yo!
That's the level of healing when God takes over.
Yo!
You understand Mabunda?
Hey!
Mabunda,
Smuda!
look at Joseph.
Man.
uJoseph obhuti bakhe bambetray.
Sure.
Khamba iminyaka.
Sure.
Bamdayisa khamba iminyaka.
Sure.
Beza bazoxolisa kuyena. Uzuyababuza nibobani?
Nobani?
Akasababoni.
Yo!
That's the level when uNkulunkulu ekupholisa.
Wemanga. Wangathi kunosisi okose sikhulume naye.
Sure.
To say lo baba lo wakushiya olobhuto wakushiya mdedele. Uthi wena semanje sewuqale ifamily entsha. Angisho wena wa decide ukuthi uzaba iSpringbok abaleke. Kuyoba nguwe yekela umgijimisa umthatha umyise emacourt. Yekela. Relax. Believe me mfokamanga, the very same person is gonna come back azoxolisa yena. Kanti uyothi maxolisa angisekho lapha. Phutha lethu mfokamanga nali. Sifuna ukuzilwela. Sifuna ukuba forced out benze izinto abangafuna ukuzenza. Ufuna lo muntu okudlengula aze lalela thina sizokutshela iqiniso elingekho mnandi. Akukho closure ozoyithola. Le closure le oyifunayo instead ukuthi ikupholise iyovela igubhele izilonda lezi ngabo upholekizo. Salumyeke saluqola. Yabona lento ukuthatha abantu bayise ko riyatsotela bade le closure mina ibhlungu lento mangisikhuluma ngayo, but mina ngicela ukukutshela iqiniso mntana sekhaya before uphenduka ithuna elihamba. Le closure oyifunayo uSipho ngeke azaqolisa ukuthi bekayenzela lento lebekayenza. There is no closure that you're gonna get, but you'll have peace the day you accept and move on.
Uyazi Mabunda into ebhlungu la.
Sure.
That ebhlungu le but iqiniso.
Sure.
Yabona into ebhlungu ngama ex bengike ngifike.
Sure.
But sengifike.
Awuphakathi.
Into ebhlungu ngama ex ukuthi the time usathandana naye.
Sure.
Beyangalibona igolide bekabona amatshe kuwe.
Mango.
And umuntu acabanga nalento ukuthi umuntu acabanga ukuthi mawunengane naye you are stuck na ayikho leyo nto.
Mango.
Ingane yenzakalile but iyawukhula ihambe. You are not part of me. Because ebut into eshaya ama ex most of the time.
Mango.
Ukubona ilitshe belishada liba igolide
yo
selishadiwe.
Yo.
Iphutha ke labantu uma behlukana, especially mawuhlukana nomuntu usamthanda futhi usamdinga.
Sure.
Ucabanga ukuthi akekho umuntu obona igolide kuwe. Kanti bakhona Mabunda abantu abazobona igolide kuwena. Mabunda nansi into engihlezi ngikhuluma. When umuntu ekulahla kukhona umunye ozokuxosha.
Yo,
iphutha ongalenza ukuthi umuntu sekaxoshile phansi. Bese wena lo muntu ufuna ukumjikela. Because Mabunda angisho lokulahlilo ukubone ngoba uyilitshe. Because Mabunda amatshala ayanyathelwa nje enziwa yonke into. but lo ozobona igolide uyalibutha mntaseka bengicela respect your partner, respect umuntu oqoshile because lo muntu uyakuvaluisha.
Emango mngani wami mina bengicela
Akungenweni.
angazi mngani wami bengicela ukuyisho lento. Ngicela ukubuyisela. I'm not against lento isho, but I want to reveal something to you mngani wami ukuthi kahle lo muntu lo akazanga aba yije bekaloki ayigolide ukuthi ke uye wakhavarishwa umhlabathi lo simthela ngayo ngoba the day umshela wamvuma rdede umcongo wayibona le yagolide kwasho ukuthi uhlala nayo isikhathi eside awusamveluishi and the more umlimaza the more ukhavarisha umhlaba kanti the day umlimaza mfoka manga umshiya lokumshiya kwakho kumenze kwavela legolide lebekayiyo ngoba igolide mvangeli mawuyifaka phakathi emlilweni ivele icobezele kanti lo munye wena usabambele la leya dust oyifakile kanti ayisekho idibana nomlilo yaphenduka ebaba mina ngicela ukuntshela abantu basazophila ningekho lo muntu ucabanga ngathi angeke survive usazophila lo muntu othi ombona lo mama lo othi wena umnikeze 3 or 4 yabantwana angeke lalela mfethu usazophila lo mfethu omshile because of umsebenzi uphela lalela usazothola omunye umsebenzi and sinenkinga mvangeli nabantu abaqabanga kwangathi they know us kanti abasazi lento owangishiya ngiyiyo ungacabanga ukuthi mawubuya ngizabe ngisayiyo. I'm a person, I grow and my way of thinking improves. Phutha lakho wangishiya ngiready kanti uyothi mawubuya ngizabe senginyenye into ayivaleki.
I think episode 22 ngesawushoot. It's fine. Long man ube 1 hour.
Smooth.
We got a lot to share.
We got a lot to share, chief.
But have kubhlungu ukuthi sithi sithandane.
Smooth.
Silala phansi kwesihlahla.
Smooth.
At the other hand we are building.
Sure.
Silala phansi kwesihlahla.
Sure.
Sinethwa zimvula.
Sure.
But siyakha.
Sure.
Ithi indlu seyiphelile.
Sure.
Bese uyangijikela ufaka umuntu ongakakhi.
Mango
Ayikho into ebhlungu njengaleyo.
mango
Kunama partners whereby they struggle to get their building.
Yo.
But uma sebanakho konke
Yo.
ebunzimeni bekushubile sebanakho konke ajikele lo munye. That is why but kunabantu abacabanga ukuthi baqalekisiwe okay not ucalekisiwe bathakathiwe kanti bayithakatha bona batshala imbewembi ngokujikela umuntu owayenawo uhlupheka.
Yo.
Then uma seyiphakeme usudla imali nabomakhwapheni usudla imali nama-slay queen usuhamba nabantu abaphezulu usunamathabi ngoba but ayikho into ebhlungu njengokuthi uthandane nomuntu ehlupheka nikhule nonke athi sekakhulile sekanemali sekasizwa nepower sekabona ama type awusayona itype yakhe kodwa retirement ihlupheka bo uyitype. Yingakho but abanye abantu ba struggle kuma relationship kangaka yingenxa ukuthi kunezinto abazenzile izolo ezimbi batshala imbewembi.
Mango bengicela ukusho mngani wami cela ukusho mngani wami lento leni
Khuluma mabunda mawuceda umbhobho kini
ya umbhobho nawo ligotso kuwe tata. Mango ngicela ukuyisho lento mngani wami ukuthi umuntu ongazanga wayakha ibuilding akakwazi ukuyimaintain. Lalela mfoka Mango, lo muntu lo ngangakha naye uwazi wonke amakhona wale indlu, uyazi yonke iplumbing yakulento ukuthi la ihamba kanjani intambo. As a result angeke aze athathe pick shaye lapha ngoba une knowledge ukuthi thamsaka kunentambo ehamba lana. Now iphuthe silenza nani siletha abantu abangazanga bakha le building lena bese mfoka Mango uyahapa izinto lezi ngoba vele awuzange wayakha and ngeke namakhona wawo uwazi. Ngisho ukuthini mvangeli, kunomuntu mfethu owakusupporta that knows your struggle, that knows your pain, and uyazi lo sisilona or uyazi lo bhuti lona ukuthi kuze ube right kwamela atobetsephe. Wena manje so right and ucabanga kangathi uzoba right forever, kanti siyafika isikhathi la ivalue depreciate khona, and the minute it depreciate mfoka mango lo oyakhile uyena oyaziyo ukuthi ilungisa kanjani. Yingakho mfoka mango sithi uma siphumelele sishiye labantu labe sithandana nabo ngenxa yale mpumelelo sinayo. The minute ilahleka la bebangekho bayahamba. Kungani? Abayazi ukuthi sithole kanjani impumelelo, kanti laba abasiyaziyo ukuthi saphumelela kanjani kuthi uma sisanabo, uma impilo isishaya, they know how we got it. Ingakho angeke baze bashiye because basazi enhluphekweni and basazi nasengcebeni. Inkinga yethu sithi uma sesifika kwingcebo sithandane nabantu labe bangekho enhluphekweni.
Mabunda ligodvo
kuwe
ligodvo kimi. Mabunda
mang
ungizwe kahle mfowethu.
Sibu
Wena uNkulunkulu aletha abantu abazoba lusize empilweni zethu.
Sure.
Because kunabantu uNkulunkulu abagcoba babe usizo.
Sure.
And ungizwe kahle, ungawuphasa ulevel 1
Sure.
akusize lo muntu
Sure.
bese uyamphakamela ku level 1.
Oh.
Kanti the more umgcina uba naye abakhona une grace yokuphakamisa uye ku level 7.
Buda.
So kunabantu abajikela abantu abathize abeze empilweni zabo kanti baphethe igrace. Ifana nokuthi Mabunda umuntu afike kuwena so uhamba ngeBMW bese uyamjikela ngoba sone BMW, then ekhambeni kwesikhathi kanti ukube lo muntu beka khona mfana kithi bo drive many cars Lamborghini. Yo, you understand Mabunda? So some people whether siyathanda or asithandi kunabantu bhuti abeza empilweni zethu bazosiza and sabacosha bahamba nosizo usale ustruggle.
Now ligodro kimi mang emang yazi ithini phutha labantu abaningi bengicela ukushaba osisi kancane ukuthi siswami the way umuhle ngakhona ucabanga kwangathi ke amanye amadoda usazowathola. Lalela siswami, yes uzowathola but angeke umthole lozo kuhlonipha njengale ndoda yakho oyijikelile ngoba sinenkinga mvangeli nabo sisi nabo bhuti onama partner mfoka mawo ababona uma sibaphatha kahle bacabanga kwangathi si desperate and bagcine basidelele simply because they think they are the air that we breathe. Kanti umphefumulo leso uphefumula usinikwe uNkulunkulu and sasiphefumula ningekho namanje njengoba nizohamba empilweni sizosala siphefumula. Ungabomdelela lo mfethu simply because of akasebenzi. Impilo isondo mfethu ungamthuka ngazo zonke inhlamba uthi akanani ubroke ulahlekelwe yini. Lalela, let me tell you something, the wheel is gonna turn. Angazi bathi ithathe emsamo imbeke kuphi imbeke kuphi khona yena leyo
lugodvo kimi
lugodvo kuwe mfoka mama
Mabunda
sibuda
umoya waNkulunkulu
sibuda
inhlitiyo sinika abantu
sibuda.
So kunabantu abazothi mabashiya sihlukana nabo bayitshela ukuthi bahambe nomoya kanti bahambe nenhliziyo
futhi
sibabolekile funa lenhliziyo. Cha vele lenhliziyo
kudala
dala
sithi we can't live without you.
That's the honest truth. Vele siyakuboleka inhliziyo because ungizwe kahle Mabunda, as long as usenenhliziyo enothando usazothanda abanye ngayo. Into ebhlungu ngabantu esibathanda bese basibona ngathi siyilima. Uyazi Mabunda ukuthi umuntu uyagcina abe angakuthandi ngoba ekwazi ukuthi unothando oluningi and angafuni ukuthi ulinikeze omunye umuntu. That is why even noma sohlukana naye abe isicefe kanti ucefezelela yazi ukuthini ukuthi I know ukuthi unothando. Ntakunika God mama. Kanti Mabunda uhlupha ngoba uyazi ukuthi inhliziyo yakho inothando. You understand Mabunda? So bengicela mntasekhaya ungamvuleli lo mnyango Look God for nani mabunzi.
Wema. Iphutha labantu abaningi nali baqabanga kwangathi uNkulunkulu lahlile. Kanti ayikho indoda ehlakaniphile ene ekhona ukuhlela impilo yomuntu njengoNkulunkulu. uThixo mfaka manga uyakuvumela sometimes udibane nabantu abarong empilweni, uthandana nalo akuphula inhliziyo, uthandana nalo akuphula inhliziyo, uthandana nalo akuphula inhliziyo, bese akulethela umuntu right. Kungani avumele ayibo ayikhala phi lento ayikhala iphone mfaka manga iyangidisturb lento. Avumele udibane nabantu abawu3 abarong, kanti the reason udibane nalabantu abawu3 abarong ingoba uThixo ukupreparela ukuze ukwazi ukuphatha lo wesi4 kahle. Ngoba uyothi lo wesi4 akuphatha kahle, umphathe kahle ngoba uyakhumbula ukuthi lo hlobo lolu aligcwalanga. Baningi abantu abadibana nabantu abarong, kodwa wathi lo mfonko uyabona lo wamanje nguye ay manga
Mabundise se right le phone ngoba ngiziyakhala isa record.
Manga ngathi ayisa record.
Ngangibona ithi Bluetooth.
Isa record. Hayi iBluetooth le yangaphandle.
Okay. Look God forgive mabunzi.
Manga.
But
sivale. Unini ayifuna
ukuvaleka but in fact asivale.
Sure.
But
manga.
Ibhlungu lento engizosho la. But that's the honest truth. Nathi kwesinye isikhathi sinasi isandla.
Sure.
Sokurepeata izinto esashayeka kizo kaningi.
Manga.
Uzithole ukucycle upart 1 upart 2 part 3 wezinto ezakushaya.
Manga.
O abantu wadibana nabo lokudibana nohlobo lodwa.
Manga.
Dasekhaya ungavala amehlo kakhulu mawusothandweni. uNkulunkulu mabonda usinika amehlo ukuthi sibone.
Manga.
Wasinikeza ingcondo ukuthi sicabange.
Manga.
Uma lithi iBhayibheli inhliziyo ingumkhohlisi, izikhohlise nomnikazi wayo. Ngiyazi ukuthi uyamthanda
manga,
but uyakhomba ama-claims ukuthi akuyena. Bengicela uvule izindlebe, uvule amehlo, usebenzise ingcondo.
Manga.
Athi omunye sebenzisa lokho upstairs. Use this thing. Because mabona siyazifaka esimene esisodwa usithole sokucycle nani. Kunabanye abantu but uma bangaze bakumosha, don't discuss. Mina kunento but I've made peace with it.
Yes sir.
Once you disrespect me, I don't negotiate disrespect. I just walk away.
Thank you sir.
Kunabantu mntana sekhaya, you don't have to negotiate ukhuluma vele umtshele ngiyalwazi lo hlobo leli. You are one of the kind. I'm moving on.
Emang.
Ngaphuta sivale.
No sivale. Bese ngicela ukuexplainela lo muntu wakho le. Lo odibana
nabantu ababodwa ayawazi.
Emango impilo it's designed in such a way yokuthi ke sino grade 1 up until grade 12 like South Africa.
Sure.
Mara kunomthetho othi ke uma ufailile you don't go to the next grade.
You repeat it.
You repeat the very same grade. Kunabantu abafailayo in certain relationships and ba repeat ama class ngenxa yokuthi abafuna ukuvuma lento abayibonayo. Wrong. Mara noma uNkulunkulu sekakuvezile ukuthi wrong, usafuna ukumphinda. Bese uNkulunkulu uyabona ukuthi le yona le iage iyahamba. Lapha esikolweni mfoka mama, uma sikubona ukuthi somdala kule grade siyakondona. uThixo akuvumele ukuthi ukhondone. Kodwa mawusu ukhondone ukudibana nomunye umuntu le, u repeated the very same mistake lezi bozenza because vele ukule class hayi ngoba uphasile. Wakhondone. And into ebhlungu ukukhondone ukuthi lama question labo wa failure in the previous grade about 2 times. So sinabantu mfoka manga abathandaza uNkulunkulu ngicela ungivulela amehlo ngibone ukuthi ulihlobo linjani lo muntu lo. uThixo akuvezele. Bese uthi sombonile ungavumi ukubona let me say yazi kunabantu abathandaza umthandazo strange.
Sure.
Ake ngisho lo mthandazo. uNkulunkulu ngiyathandaza. Ngicela ungivezele ukuthi uyihlobo olunjani lo muntu lo.
Yeah, and always.
Ngiyakutshela uNkulunkulu angikuqambela manga bawo wethu osemazulwini uNkulunkulu baba uNkulunkulu edodana. Wangikhombisa ukuthi ungubani ngiyahamba. Hey, yezwa mfoko ma?
Sure.
uThixo awuphendule lo mthandazo wakho. Umbone what type of a person that he is. Bese ungasaskiphi leya promise owayenza yokuthi uzawuhamba uhlale zikunethe futhi uthandaze uthi Thixo ngicela ungivezele lo muntu ukuthi unjani. Bese uThixo uyamve ngoba sinabantu abahlezi and uma ungaka uNkulunkulu umbuzo uhlaleleni lo muntu lapha ya uzokutshela uNkulunkulu ngamnikeza ama proof nama evidence yokuthi what type of a person is this. What decide ukuhlala and ukuhlala kwakhe it's not according to me. It's on himself or herself. When God exposes someone to you and you have made a promise that you will live, keep that promise. Ngoba sinabantu uma banganazi into uNkulunkulu nginikeza imoto izosebenzela wena, nginikeza umsebenzi I will work for you. Kunikeza uNkulunkulu. Bese ungasakhiphi.
Look God forgive me. Ngiyayivala nyalo.
Ivale nyalo. Ungasho into ezovusa something like him. Ungasho something ezovusa something.
Bhuti
Mang.
Ungizwe kahle is ngizwe kahle.
Sure.
Akusiwo wonke umuntu othi mawumbamba
Sure.
ekuchithele.
Sure.
Umxolele.
Sure.
Ekumxoleleni kwakho
Sure.
akuhloniphe ngoba umxolelile.
Sibu.
Kunabantu siyobaxolela ekubhedeni kwabo
Sibu.
kanti sesiluza ivalue.
Hey. Abasasiboni ngendlela efanayo.
Ungimoshile
Sibu.
ngakuxolela.
Sibu.
Kodwa lo ongimoshile ekuxoleni kwami kwehla isithunzi kuyena.
Sibu.
Usho sekabona into yokudlala.
Hey.
That is why omunye akhala athi uyazi ngambamba wokucala engichithela ngamxolela
Sibu.
ngamxolela kwesibili ngamxolela kwesithathu ngamxolela kwesi3 lokhu uyayenza le no waluza irespect lo yamuntu ngosuku lokuqala
Sure.
uthi uyamxolela
Mang.
ngoba akusibo bonke abantu ozobaxolela ngokubaxolela abanye uzobaxolela kanti ubanikeza ipermission
Sure.
yokuthi bakudisrespect bachubeke kwenze namanyala. Real talk with amadoda nyasumuso. Siyanithanda abantwana basekhaya.
Ngisacubeka. Ningakhohlwa bafethu, continue to like and subscribe this particular podcast and please kindly continue to share it to those that wish to give and donate to this particular podcast. 064 6200 751. We appreciate your support and thank you so much for tuning in to Real Talk with Amadoda Nyakaza Sumuzi. Remember bafethu, we have event nge-29 zaka October lapha eSwazini. Your support will be really appreciated kakhulu. Thank you so much. Have a blessed day, have a blessed night, have a blessed morning or whatsoever time obheka le Real Talk call.
Yeah.
Most importantly, we pray ukuthi uNkulunkulu akunikeze amandla ukuthi ube nesibindi sokuqala phansi.
Yeah. And yeah, bantwana basekhaya, this is the longest episode ever in history since siyicalile Real Talk, and we pray ukuthi uNkulunkulu anivule izindlebe nisizwe kawu7 kulezi zinto besiyikhuluma la. And remember ukubaleka kwale Real Talk ukimpacta impilo zenu, and ningakhohlwa to subscribe and like and comment.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, and siyanithanda kakhulu bafethu. 064 6200 751 kulabo who wanna sponsor, kulabo who wanna book us, and also kulabo abafuna ukuthenga amatikiti. We are here bafethu kuleyo number ningasithinta. Danko.